Bye bye Ilesha. Bye bye. We are the local government. Bye bye Lumiri Waterfalls. I'll come back soon. I promise. About the party, everything soft. Ogbuelo and bear. Otiye. My mom, this is my mom, my big mummies, my aunties. Give me the Bible share. Come on, give me the mood right now. Lick licks. Give me Bible share. After party la wa you, ilesha level. Emi omo lile mo ti fa buba yo. Mo wa mu emu yi. Go tell. AY Man Diesel from Oshogbo Washiri. Thanks for coming. My in-law always vibing. My big bosses. Like I do party man like him. I want to go lower. Actually, 1 a.m. Gbogbo ede ṣe ń lọ. I even met a friend on the dance floor and we had fun. A little drama while we were finding our way back to the hotel, but I'm not finished here.
Ẹfúróyè Tinubu. Oya, buwa wọn ló ní ká pẹ̀lú wa. No, kini nìyẹn. Kini yẹn sọ yẹn. Kini rèé. Ẹfú ṣe ta ní wúrà ló sọ yẹn. Ṣé ta ní wúrà? Ní ilé yìí náà, bọ̀bọ̀ yìí. Àyàn Galu nìyẹn. Ó mọ̀ ṣá Àyàn Galu. Wọ́n tó take over Ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí tó kọlà Ìbàdàn yìí. Orúkọ ẹ̀ lọ, òun ni #1 ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
Ìbá la múlé sí o ẹ̀yin tèmi. Ó súnmọ́ paradise, ó jìnnà sí àpáàdì. Nature all around, security tight, beautiful trees. As a football field, serene and neat environment. Rooms are classy and comfy, and very affordable. It's also like a resort because it has kayak services. I recommend you come here whenever you come to Ilesha. I think the name is Zenabap also. Oh, I am Miami. I miss my babies and my babies miss me. Bye bye Ilesha. Bye bye Enrique. Bye bye everybody. All the good people of Ilesha. I'll be back soon, I promise. If you like this video, like, share, and repost. Ciao, ciao.